Hey everyone, this is Patrick Garrity, security researcher here at VulnCheck, and today I'm excited to announce our new capabilities for VulnCheck Community, alerts for VulnCheck KEV. This allows you to set up notifications that will notify you via email or Slack anytime we add a new known exploited vulnerability to our catalog. Today I'm going to walk you through how to configure the VulnCheck KEV alerts. If you don't have an account, you can just go to vulncheck.com. In the top right hand corner, you can register for an account. It just validates your email address. Once you're in, you're going to see your VulnCheck dashboard. You're going to click on the settings icon, click on alerts, and there's going to be two alert settings to configure depending on what you want, which channel you want notifications on. The first is Slack, second is email. To show you how easy this is to set up, you connect your email address. The email you validated is already in there. I can click submit, and now I'm going to receive a notification each time there's a new VulnCheck KEV. Just in case you might want to test it, you can click the three little dots and click test. This is going to send a test notification to your email account, and then you can validate, like you see here, that you received the alert and the notification. In order to connect Slack, there's a little bit more involved. You can see how to grab the right permissions and configure a token within Slack. We are going to have a Slack app soon available, so you don't have to go through this step. But essentially, you put your access token in the channel that you want the notification. And once you submit that, similarly, there'll be three buttons. You can test it to make sure that it actually works. If it's not working right, likely it's either a token issue or the channel might not exist that you configured. So just ensure you check both those things in order to get Slack working. And it's as simple as that. Now you're going to receive notifications each time there's a new VulnCheck KEV that gets added. And this is in addition to being able to access VulnCheck KEV via API, our Go and our Python SDKs. You can access it via Jupyter Notebook, our CLI, and then also our web interface in the UI. So we're making it easy as possible to get access to the most critical threats, known exploited vulnerabilities that may exist within your environment. Thanks so much for your time today, and look forward to getting your feedback so we can continue to reiterate and improve on our services. Take care.